blueprint supplements every 60-year-old American takes to reverse aging. Have you ever wondered why some people in their 60s seem to have more energy, sharper minds, and healthier bodies than people 20 years younger? The answer isn't magic, and it isn't about finding a miracle pill. As we age, our bodies naturally produce fewer essential nutrients, our muscles become weaker, our bones lose strength, and our cells don't repair themselves as efficiently as they once did. The good news? Modern research suggests that certain supplements may help support healthy aging when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and guidance from your healthcare provider. Today, we're looking at 5 popular supplements that many health-conscious older adults include in their wellness routines. Let's get started. Number 5. Vitamin D3. Vitamin D is one of the most common nutrient deficiencies among older adults. After age 60, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. This vitamin plays an important role in maintaining strong bones, supporting muscle function, and helping the immune system work properly. Low vitamin D levels have been associated with an increased risk of falls and fractures. Many healthcare providers recommend testing vitamin D levels before deciding whether supplementation is appropriate. Remember, more isn't always better, so follow your doctor's advice on dosage. Number 4. Omega-3 fish oil. Your heart and brain both benefit from healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA, may support cardiovascular health, help maintain normal brain function, and contribute to healthy vision. Some studies also suggest omega-3s may help reduce inflammation, although results vary. If you don't eat fatty fish like salmon or sardines regularly, your healthcare provider may suggest an omega-3 supplement. Choose products that are third-party tested for quality and purity. Number 3. Magnesium. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of processes inside the human body. It supports normal muscle and nerve function, helps regulate blood sugar, and contributes to healthy sleep. Many older adults don't get enough magnesium through diet alone. Some people notice improvements in muscle cramps or sleep quality after correcting a deficiency, but supplements aren't a guaranteed solution for everyone. Always check with your healthcare provider, especially if you have kidney disease or take prescription medications. Number 2. Protein or collagen. After age 60, maintaining muscle becomes increasingly important. Loss of muscle mass can affect strength, balance, and independence. If you're not getting enough protein through food, a protein supplement may help you meet your daily needs. Collagen supplements have also become popular for supporting skin elasticity and joint comfort, although research shows mixed results depending on the specific benefit. The key message is simple: maintaining adequate protein intake is essential for healthy aging. Number 1. Creatine. Creatine isn't just for athletes anymore. Growing research suggests creatine may help older adults maintain muscle strength and support physical performance when combined with resistance exercise. Some studies are also exploring possible benefits for brain health, although more research is needed. Creatine is one of the most studied supplements available and is generally considered safe for many healthy adults when used appropriately. However, anyone with kidney disease or other medical conditions should consult their healthcare provider before using it. Closing, 4:20 to 5 o'clock. Here's something important to remember. No supplement can stop aging or reverse it completely. The real blueprint for healthy aging includes regular physical activity, strength training, nutritious meals, good sleep, stress management, social connections, and routine medical care. Supplements can sometimes fill nutritional gaps, but they work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle, not as a replacement for one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more evidence-based health tips designed especially for older adults. Thanks for watching, and here's to staying healthy, active, and strong at every age.